In the world of YouTube, there is a big part of kids who are very loyal viewers and they only want one thing, that is entertainment. And if we talk about the content of this category, you can make videos in many ways, but the most popular category in this is educational videos. Kids watch it with joy and their teachers and parents also encourage them to watch it so that they can learn something new along with entertainment. So today I will tell you how to make such a video that will give both entertainment and education. And this will be done through an animated story. So what are we waiting for? Let's start. So for the first step, we have to prepare our script. And for this, I'll go to Chat GPT. So first I ask it this. I have to make a video for kids learning, so give me some topic ideas. So as you can see, it gave me many topic ideas such as counting and numbers, alphabets and phonics, shapes and colors, the animal world, nature and season, fairy tale stories, arts and crafts, science experiments, rhymes, manners, hygiene, and space and planets. So you know what interests me right now? It's space and planets, so I will try that. So when I asked it to write a script for an educational video about space and planets for kids, it gave me a title along with the script, which is a space adventure with Captain Cosmic. And as you can see, this script has almost everything from an introduction to conclusion. And it tells very well about planets, the sun, earth, stars and all. And when I asked it to break down the scenes, GPT broke down each scene of my script. So this will make it easier for us to make video. So now that my script is ready, let's move on the next step, which is voiceover. So if you use your voice, that would be great. You'll not have any problem with monetization. But if you still want to use AI voice, I'll suggest you use 11 Labs because they have very good human-like voices. So that's why I'll use 11 Labs today. To simplify, you have to go to the website and sign in with your email and password, and then you'll see an interface like this. So I have to select a voice. And after putting the whole script here, I'll click on generate. And then you can see that it has done the voiceover.
Space explorers, Captain Cosmic. Space is like a giant puzzle waiting to be solved.
So now you can download it from here. So our script and voice are ready. Let's move on the next step, which is animation. So for animation, I'll use simple space background images and I'll show you how to make them move later. For the images, I opened FreePic and searched for cartoon space vectors. So as you can see, there are very nice backgrounds here. I'll download the ones that match my script. Now I have downloaded all the images and I need to animate them to make them look more appealing. So for that, I'll use Leipix. To use this website, you need to sign in first. When you sign in, you will see an interface like this and they give us 500 free credits. To animate your image, simply drag and drop it here. You will be amazed by the result. You can choose different animation styles such as horizontal, white circle, circle motion, vertical motion, and you can also adjust the length of the animation depending on how long or fast you want it to be moved. And you can also modify the motion of your image with this tool and make it look more attractive. So I'll upload and animate all my images with various styles, then I'll download them from here. So now after this, I want a talking AI avatar, and for this I'll use Adobe Express Animation. In this tool, you can select any character and sync it with voiceover according to your script. So after sign in, we'll select a character related to our video. So my video is related to space. I'll look for a character that matches that theme. So I've now selected this character and made his background green because I want to place my character against a specific background. Next, I'll choose the size for the avatar I want to create. Since I want to make it for YouTube, I'll select the YouTube option and go for the landscape size. Here I can also adjust the image size, make it bigger or smaller as needed. So once that's done, I'll set it up. Additionally, I can even record my voice here, but I have already generated voice using 11 Labs, so I'll upload that file here. So finally, my avatar is also ready.
Hello, young space explorers. Captain Cosmic here, and today we're embarking on
I'll download it, and now we'll move on to our next step where we have to collect all our images, videos, avatar, voiceover and put them all in a video editor and edit them. You can use any video editor that you find easy. I'll use Filmora today. So I'll upload my images, videos, AI avatar in the editing tool, and one by one we'll set the background according to our script and also set our AI avatar on top of it. Going to AI tools, we can easily remove its background by opening chroma key. We'll increase its tolerance a little and adjust it according to the background. Now according to the script, I'll change the background and at the same time I'll set up the avatar. So I'll edit the rest of my video in the same way. Now my video is edited, sounds are added, sound effects are also added, transitions are also done. If you want, you can also add subtitles to it. And finally, I'll export my video from here.
Hello, young space explorers. Captain Cosmic here, and today we're embarking on an exciting journey through the cosmos. Buckle up as we blast off into the universe and discover amazing facts about space and its incredible inhabitants. Space is like a giant puzzle waiting to be solved. It's so vast that even the smartest scientists are still unraveling its secrets. Now let's meet the real superstars of space, the stars themselves. They twinkle in the night sky, and each one has its own unique personality. Some are big, some are small, and some shine brighter than others. But there's one star that's extra special to us, and that's our sun. The sun is like a giant cosmic battery, providing us with light and warmth. It's so big that you could fit over 1 million Earths inside it. As we venture deeper into space, we'll encounter our space neighbours, the planets. Each planet has its own distinct characteristics and is like a different world waiting to be explored. Our first stop is the amazing planet Earth. It's the only planet known to have oceans, mountains, and a cozy atmosphere perfect for life. It's a place we must take good care of.
So as you have seen, creating your videos can be an exciting adventure, but remember, practice makes perfect. So don't be afraid to experiment, explore your creativity, and I can't wait to see the amazing content you will produce.